Want to feel fitter and healthier? Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and positivity, looking for a workout that fits into your busy life. Whether you're a professional on the go or a stay-at-home parent, this routine is perfect for you. You can achieve amazing things in just 30 minutes. That's right, in the time it takes to watch your favorite show, you can transform your body and mind. This workout is designed for beginners. No need to worry if you're just starting out, we've got you covered. It's low impact, so it's easy on your joints. Perfect for those who want to avoid high-impact exercises, but still get a great workout. Get ready to torch calories and have fun. Working out doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an enjoyable part of your day. This 30-minute routine will help you burn fat and feel great. You'll be amazed at how energized and accomplished you feel afterward. It's perfect for all fitness levels, especially if you're just starting out. Everyone can join in and see progress. We'll guide you through each exercise. Our expert instructors will ensure you perform each move correctly and safely. Get ready to feel the burn and see real results. Consistency is key, and with this routine, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. This workout is designed with beginners in mind. It uses low-impact exercises. These exercises are gentle on your body. You don't need any fancy equipment. You can do this workout right at home. Short workouts are perfect for busy schedules. Committing to just 30 minutes makes exercising achievable. You'll see that even a little bit of exercise goes a long way. Consistency is key for burning fat and improving your fitness. Let's get started. This 30-minute fat-burning workout is designed to get your heart pumping and your muscles working. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this routine will challenge you and help you achieve your fitness goals. Remember to listen to your body. It's important to stay in tune with how you're feeling throughout the workout. If you need to take a break, don't hesitate. Hydrate, catch your breath, and jump back in when you're ready, and take breaks when you need them. Warm up 5 minutes, marching in place. Lift your knees high. This will get your blood flowing and prepare your body for the exercises ahead. Swing your arms, 2 minutes. Make big circles to loosen up your shoulders and get your upper body ready for action. Leg swings, swing your legs forward and backward, 1 minute. This dynamic stretch will help improve your flexibility and range of motion. Butt kicks. Bring your heels up to your glutes, 1 minute. This exercise will activate your hamstrings and get your legs ready for the workout. Workout 20 minutes. Squats, 10 repetitions. Squats are a great way to build strength in your lower body. Stand with your feet apart. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart for stability. Lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Push-ups. Start on your knees if needed. Push-ups are excellent for building upper body strength. Lower your chest towards the floor. Keep your elbows close to your body for better form. Push back up, 5 repetitions. Lunges, 10 repetitions per leg. Lunges are great for working your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Step forward with one leg. Make sure your step is big enough to keep your front knee over your ankle, and lower your hips until both knees are bent. Keep your torso upright and your core engaged. Jumping jacks, 20 repetitions. Repeat this workout circuit 2 to 3 times. Consistency is key to seeing results. Keep pushing yourself and stay committed to your fitness journey. All right, let's move on to the essentials. Always warm up before each workout. This prepares your muscles for exercise. Cooling down after your workout is important too. It helps your heart rate return to normal. Now for your cool down, spend about 5 minutes on gentle stretching. Hold each stretch for about 30 seconds. Focus on your legs, arms, and back. And don't forget to take deep breaths. Now let's talk about the real start journey. This is more than just a workout plan. It's a comprehensive approach to transforming your lifestyle. Whether you're a beginner or looking to get back into fitness, this journey is tailored for you. This 30-minute workout is part of the Real Start and Real Start Plus plans. These plans offer a variety of exercises that cater to different fitness levels, ensuring that everyone can participate and benefit. These plans are designed to help you achieve real results. You'll see transformations not just in your physical appearance, but also in your overall health and well-being. They are perfect for real people with busy lives. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone juggling multiple responsibilities, these plans fit seamlessly into your schedule. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with this workout routine. Follow along with our online videos and don't be afraid to push yourself. The more you commit, the better the results you'll see. You'll start to see amazing changes in your body and mind. Not only will you feel stronger and more energetic, but you'll also notice improvements in your mental clarity and mood. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Your support helps us create more content to keep you motivated and on track. Leave a comment below and tell us how you felt. We love hearing about your progress and any challenges you might be facing. Your feedback is invaluable. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Stay tuned for more workouts, nutrition advice, and motivational content to help you on your fitness journey.